Test. Hey guys, so I am back for another video. My last week of school as well as finals week just ended for my junior year and my room is an absolute mess. So I thought, why not to the start of summer do a little cleaning with me. I need to clean my room. It's gross and dirty. I'm just going to be cleaning my room for summer and let's just get this cleaning party started. Table done. I'm so tired. This summer, I'm really trying to get a job.
Update, guys. Your girl got a job at Chick-fil-A. Where's it? My name tag, Chick-fil-A, Sky. It's spelled wrong, but it's okay. It's fine.
I'm also watching Riverdale. Fun.
Don't ever try to poison her against me. Clear? Of course.
Okay, so for those of you who don't have a bunny, I'm literally going to show you what he does. Literally bit every single poster. Biting them right now. All my posters. This is all Kona. Literally what it's like to have a bunny. I found this picture. I think it came off of one of the posters that Kona bit through, but shout out to Lai. I think this is from like, I know what class this is, but I think it's like 7th or 8th grade. Love you, Lai. Here's some of the smoke. Some more beautiful artwork made by Kona. Oh my gosh, he's running to me. He sees the wire. Look at that. He's literally crazy. I swear this lollipop song in Riverdale is going to kill me. My mind is like everywhere. Oh my God, I'm so tired.
Last night was
A PG-13.
Okay, so my couch is done. Ah! Great.
Look. A Jingle Jingle addict's body was found by the tracks in
Ow.
Sunday. It's a
Donna.
service hit and
This one I look so freaking innocent, and then this one I look like a straight nerd. Corsage. I feel like you're probably supposed to throw these away, but I think it's a good memory, so
even though this year's Lord and Mistress
I still have it. My photo booth pics. Look how many. Some are like upside down. It's super bright. I'm too lazy to do anything about it. But that will be it. I am done with cleaning. My room looks so good. So much better than it did before. I hope you guys like this video. I always like doing these cleaning with me videos. They're not always fun when I'm cleaning or at the moment, but as I'm all done and I get to edit the video, it's always fun because it's just so satisfying to me. So let me know if you think these videos are satisfying, because I think that's why I like to watch them so much. Subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up. I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and always remember to reach for the sky. Bye guys.